other. In the modern clothing industry, the introduction of automatic edge cutting machines has greatly improved production efficiency and cutting accuracy. This automatic edge cutting machine uses advanced laser technology to achieve precise positioning and fast cutting, and can easily meet the needs of various complex graphics. Its high-precision cutting not only reduces material waste, but also ensures the consistency and quality of each finished product. In addition, the high degree of automation of the machine greatly reduces the burden of manual operation and reduces labor costs. The easy-to-use interface allows workers to get started quickly and reduces training time. For clothing companies, this means being able to respond to market demand faster, shorten production cycles, and thus enhance competitiveness. In short, the advantages of automatic edge cutting machines in the clothing industry are reflected in high efficiency, precision, and flexibility, providing companies with innovative solutions and promoting the intelligent development of the industry.